Welcome back to the channel. If you're using Duolingo and want to turn off those friends quests that keep popping up, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable friends quests in the Duolingo mobile app. Whether you're looking for a distraction-free learning experience or just want more control over. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, on the top right, tap on the settings icon. This will open the full list of customization options for your account. Find the section labeled Preferences. Tap on it. Inside this section, look for the toggle labeled Friends Quests. Turn off the Friends Quests option by tapping the toggle switch. This will disable the feature and stop any related notifications or challenges from appearing. Finally, go back by tapping the back arrow and be sure to click Done at the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully turned off friends quests in the Duolingo app. To wrap up, this quick tutorial showed you exactly how to turn off friends quests in Duolingo, so you can focus on your language learning without unnecessary distractions.